Today we're going to make eggs Florentine. It's essentially poached eggs, little muffin, some hollandaise sauce and some spinach. It's a great little breakfast. I'm going to toast off some fresh muffins, which I've made myself, but you know, buying store-bought stuff is fine for now. For the hollandaise sauce, at the beginning, we're just going to thinly slice some shallot and reduce that down in some good vinegar by about 1/3. And then we're going to pass that out. And we're going to mix that flavoured vinegar with some egg yolk over a pan of boiling water and then whisk in slowly clarified butter. I'll come together like a nice thick hollandaise sauce because the hot water will start cooking the egg at the same time. So at the restaurant, if you want to jazz it up a little bit, what we would do sometimes, especially if you're making like a nice flavoured hollandaise for like a steak or a pork or something, we would charge it in one of these little guns. This recipe is special because it's, you know, it's proper classic French breakfast, this one. It's a bit naughty. There's many calories going on. There's quite a few skills. So it's in there, it's been charged. I'm just going to give it a good shake. Make that rest for a bit. So I'm just going to butter some spinach off now, ready for finishing it later. And just leave that and get those eggs poached up, ready to go. Okay, the key part is having a nice deep pan. So the egg's got a long time to travel and kind of like hold its shape as it goes down. We don't really want it boiling, that's quite aggressive. So I want to keep it at this kind of nice simmer. A little bit of vinegar to the water, it's a key part. Cool. So, straight into the middle, nice and slowly. Nice and slowly. And just be patient. Okay, pretty happy with those. Drain off some of the water onto your cloth. This recipe is a bit naughty. So this is maybe for the weekend morning, or if you've somehow annoyed your spouse, a bit of a get out of jail free card on that one. There's a lot of myths about how to get poached eggs done properly, but you know, we're just going to keep it nice and simple and this should come out perfectly. Essentially, it can be a beginner recipe, but just take your time with it. You know what I mean? A lot of things can go wrong, especially with making hollandaise sauce that can split, overcooking or undercooking the eggs. Just give yourself a little bit of time to get this one done perfectly. And just let them just kind of fall over on the top. There you go, guys. Nice fancy eggs Florentine.